Hello viewers, welcome to IT System Admin and Information Technology Learning tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to enable physical tabs in Cisco packet tracer device. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. To enable physical tab on Cisco packet tracer device, go to your Cisco packet tracer, and now I'm going to show you the physical tab is hidden in my packet tracer. Open the device and look here, config, CLI and attributes tabs are appeared, but physical tab is not showing here. Now I'm going to show you how to enable physical tab. Click on options tab on upper left corner, click on preferences and then click on show hide tab. The first option is hide physical tab and by default it's selected. That means physical tab is hidden right now. Just deselect it to unhide or enable physical tab. Now physical tab is enabled. Close preferences and open the device again. And look here, you will find the physical tab. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.